Hey guys, welcome to my new channel, Hauling Hoopties with Rob. Pretty much what I'm going to be doing is what I do every day, just filming it, and that's hauling hoopties with, you guessed it, Rob. That's me. So that's my trusty tow truck, my 300,000 mile F150 two-wheel drive, and that thing hauls with no complaints. Gets about 12 miles per gallon. It's not bad. 5.4. Got my Econo trailer that I modified. Put a winch on it. Put some stops for the wheels. Put some permanent straps that are bolted to the trailer. My custom drop down spare tire holder. And there's a car coming. Okay. And here's the hoopty that I'm towing down right now to the car lot. It's going for sale tomorrow. It's a 2008 Jeep Liberty. I picked this up about 2 or 3 weeks ago, I guess, and had to wait for the title to come in and get DX'd. It's got about 227,000 miles, but it'll be a great hoopty for somebody who doesn't have a lot of money, which is most of my customers in Philly. So, alright, I'm going to pause it right now so I can load it up, and I'll catch up with you in a minute. The Jeep is loaded up, I'm ready to rock and roll. Haven't even driven it yet. I bought it, picked it up, put it in my backyard because I didn't have room in the car lot. Had to wait for the title, flip the title. Now it's going to be ready for sale tomorrow. Have to assess it, see how it shifts, see if there's any issues, so we can tell the customer and price it. I'm thinking $19.99. Most of my customers don't have much money, but it's a nice little Jeep. And there's my trusty old F150. She only has 304,000 miles, that's all. 5.4, it runs beautiful. Cold AC. Got all my goodies in the back. And we're ready to rock and roll. I'll be back in a minute once I get to the car lot. Just made it to the lot. We're going to unload it, see how it runs. Let me go get Rob. He's probably screwing around as usual. Hoopty. Hoopty. More hoopty. Hoopty, hoopty, hoopty. Hoopty heaven. You're on film. You're going around. Come on, let's go. Let's go unload the Jeep and take it for a spin. Alright, be right back, guys. This is why you have kids and you hire them. Here. Have fun. Here. Here. Unload. You need to put the ramps down in the back. You want my gloves? Nobody wants to see your underwear, dude. See, when I put this trailer together, I made it so it's easy to unload and load quickly. They're inside. Just back it down. I'm going to take it for a spin, see how it feels. Got to throw the tag on it. Alright. Alright, do me a favor. Actually, you know what? Let me grab the tag off the truck because there's a lot of cops around here. A lot of cops around, so I got to take my tag with me just in case. Let's take this bad boy for a ride. So we got a Christmas tree going on. It's alright. Cracked windshield. Motor sounds good though. Let's see. Still runs good. Feels good. Brakes feel good so far. It sounds like it has a little bit of rust on the brakes. Sitting in the backyard. Shifting through all the gears nicely. Suspension feels tight. Motor feels good. Engine training 100%. Shocks feel pretty good. Feel good. Hold on, I'm gonna check it. Let's see. Ooh, this is for Tony. Sometimes you find goodies. Alright, so test drive successful. It runs good. Engine and training 100%. Brakes feel good. Everything feels good. $19.99. Let's see how. Let's make sure it's got oil. Make sure fluids are full. Put that up. It runs good. Alright, check the oil, all that good stuff. Tony went through all the cars, but he missed a bunch of change. Look at that. I'm rich. Actually, he's going to be rich. Is that a gold earring? Oh, look, 2 gold earrings. I don't know if they're gold or not, but got a hairpin. Got some money. So we sell all cars as is. We don't fix them. We don't clean them. We just make sure they got coolant, make sure they got oil, transmission fluid. If they don't, we top them off. We don't turn check engine lights off. We don't check engine engine lights.
Problem.
What?
Heater core is bypassed.
Well, all right. Well, whoever buys it, tell them the heater core is bypassed. All right. Well, it is what it is. So it might be $16.99 then, because the heater's not working.
It's probably leaking.
Alright, no big deal. See, we tell the customers whatever we find, this way they know what they're buying. We're not looking to rip anybody off, we're just looking to sell cars and make money and give everybody a good deal and be honest with them. Because the guy would have took this, somebody would have bought it, took it home, no heat. So, how much, does it have antifreeze or it's low?
It doesn't have any, but somebody puts some fuel in it.
Alright, we'll just top it off. The heater core is probably leaking. So that's why they bypassed it and traded it in. There's a reason why these people trade these cars in. Well, we just found out the reason. But engine runs good, doesn't overheat because I left it run at the house for a while. It shifts nice. It's got decent tires. Body's not bad. It is what it is. You're not buying a brand new car. $16.99. Needs a heater core. Alright guys, stay tuned. We're going to put this for sale tomorrow. Anybody's looking for a cheap car, $16.99. Needs a heater core, obviously. And we're in Philly. We're getting a bunch of stuff in because tax time's coming up. And normally I buy, during tax time, between 10 and 20 cars a week. So, used to buy 100, but a certain president screwed up the economy and tax time has been non-existent. So, hopefully 2025 is a better year. Alright, please like, subscribe, comment, do all that stuff, and we'll be putting videos out every Friday. So, look forward to the next video. Thanks guys, have a good one.